everybody. You remember all those parts that I got? All those right there? Yeah, we're gonna go install those now. So we're heading over to my buddy's house. There's my girlfriend's car, my Silverado. I'll see you when we get over there. Beautiful day here. There's a little bit of drizzle. Hopefully it doesn't rain too hard. Jetta's running smooth as butter. We made it out here. We got Ben's GTR. Getting a built engine, that's why it's so dusty. Got the Jetta all here, jacked up. These guys are working on their boat. We're gonna dive into the back, do the suspension, bushings, rear wheel bearings tonight, and kind of see how far we get. And then probably the front tomorrow. We're making some progress. Got the caliper off. All the brake lines disconnected. I got the rear wheel bearing pulled off. Right here, I'm just gonna cut the race off now and then do it on the other side. Got Nick over here buffing his jet ski. Reese drinking. It always takes longer than you think when you're working on cars, but we got the rear beam out. Working on pressing out the bushings right now. Got the new poly ones to put in. Alright everybody, it's super late, and these races in the beam right there are way harder to get out than I thought, so I'm going to go home and get some tools tonight, come back in the morning, be able to cut those out and put the bushings in. But that's all we're going to get done for tonight. Check with you guys tomorrow. Welcome back, day 2. Got to start it off right. Ended up getting the bushings in just a few minutes ago, right when we got over here. And then we got Chris and Zach working on getting the coils mounts off right now. We're gonna get those off, and then we're gonna put the new wheel bearings on, and then we're gonna put the arm back in the car. We'll check in then.
They're all the same lung size.
Whose boat is that?
My dad's. Yeah.
Here's like I'll trade you.
Little hydro stream.
Just gonna put the last part in.
How many horse?
What's that size?
220. Yeah. Really?
Last part of the beam.
220.
Press on the last bearing.
Jesus. I have to go fast. Nate, I think you've been on that one, haven't you?
Which one?
The hydro stream.
Yep.
I need a little more weight on there.
So I think it's plenty tight. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. Alright, this is all done. We got the bushings, lower mounts, new wheel bearings, new ABS sensors. Now it's time to put it back in the car. So we got it all back together, got the brakes on, we bled the brakes, got the new coilovers in, the new ECS tuning upper shock mount, and it's time to throw a tire back on and go drive it around. I think next weekend we'll try and tackle the front end, but we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, I just want to talk about my TI motoring shifter and kind of like, not like drive it right now, but I just wanted to say I'm really happy with it. The build quality is really great. It's I think it's a 40% decrease in throw. It's been a really good shifter to me. I'll try and go over it more in detail in the future, but for now I really like it. Got her all finished. Well, the back half. Got the poly bushings, coilovers, springs, wheel bearings, wheel speed sensors, or ABS sensors. Got all that done. Next weekend we'll probably try and tackle the front end, and then the weekend after we'll do the fuel and the damper and stuff. But if you enjoyed that, make sure you like it, and if this is your first time stopping in, make sure you subscribe. We'll see you next time.